Hello friends, my name's Miss Kate, and today I'm going to show you a fun way to practice tracing and drawing. I have this really neat folder that has a pocket. I can take a piece of paper and slide it right into my pocket, just like this. And then I take my special marker and I can draw a picture on my folder. And when I'm finished, I can take my tissue and erase it and start over. Good as new. If you don't have a special folder like this, that's okay. You can use a plastic bag. You can put a piece of paper in your plastic bag, take your special dry erase marker, draw a picture on your plastic bag, and it wipes off to use again as well. Now you can practice all sorts of things like tracing shapes and numbers and letters. But today I have a fun new game that we're going to play with these blocks. These blocks are special. They have dots on them. They're called dice, and we can count the dots. So I have a worksheet in my folder that's called Roll It, Write It, Count It. We're going to take our dice and roll our dice and count the dots. So can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We rolled a 6. So your grown-up can help you write out the word, and then you can trace over top. You can also count it out by drawing 6 dots, just like on your dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. Caregivers, tracing is an important first step towards your child's early writing skills. These folders or a plastic bag are great tools for turning any worksheet or picture into a reusable tracing sheet. Even toddlers can begin to develop their hand-eye coordination by allowing them to hold the marker and scribble on the folder. They love to see that they can have the power to create something on their own.